Hello everyone, it's 25th March. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have SC status only for Hindus, Buddhists, Sikhs, says top court. Trump discusses Strait of Hormuz in call with Prime Minister Modi. AIADMK shows ration card holders on free dal cooking oil in its manifesto. Then we have health of cities economy. Fiscal deficit widens by 62% in 2025-26 as revenue falls. Government plans EV push Niti Aayog like think tank for the capital. Then we have 56 free tests for newborns, 750 new Arogya Mandirs. Government earmarks 13,034 crore for health. Then we have bicycles for girls, two free cylinders. Gupta's pro-women announcements. Then we have statues of Kalpuri martyrs raised in UP. Opposition terms it insult for freedom fighters. Going forward, we have Gujarat Assembly passes UCC bill amid opposition from Congress. Then we have court cannot sit in judgment on our community's beliefs, says TDB. Then we have the Kashmiri separatist Andrabi gets life term in UAPA case. Going forward, we have when the Chief Justice steps away. Again, very important. Going forward, we have Prime Minister flags attacks on ships back peace in West Asia. What will be the fallout of West Asia war on economy? Opposition asks government. Then we have Stalin stresses right of states to have a fair delimitation. Then we have Supreme Court asks SIR is bumpy in Bengal when other states had smooth ride. Then we have women shortchanged yet again as Kerala parties refuse to change the course. Then we have maximized seizures, intensifying efforts. EC tells states and union territories. Then we have Supreme Court flags long-term bias against women in the armed forces. Then we have India-US needn't agree on all issue to work together, says Pentagon official. Then we have Modi Disanayak hold discussions on energy cooperation. Then we have Assam floats tender for satellites to monitor floods. Then we have Mahanagar Gas woos LPG users for PNG shift. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Iran-Israel trade strikes despite Trump's claims of negotiations. Then we have ex-guard bench Zoldar is Iran's new security chief. Then we have Israel to take control of security zone up to Litani in Lebanon. Lastly, we have China maps the ocean floor as it prepares for submarine warfare with US. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.